ZRX, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to one analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop because we mentioned maybe we can look for flat for one more drop. The price dropped, but it couldn't break this low. Now the question is, how we can look for this? Whether this is a correction in relative to this for one more drop or this is the start of the up move. Okay, mostly we can see most of the charts they're starting the up move. That's why maybe even if you want to look for trade setup, maybe we can look from here. Okay, now the question is whether we could look for one more drop before we get the next move. Okay, because for long term we're looking for buy. For sure, if we get these opportunities, I mean, it can give us better trade setup. Okay, because in that case, we can look for this one as a flat 1, 2, 3, any down move. Then from there, we can look for reversal. But as I mentioned, still we can expect the price continue from here because of the different reasons. The only times you can look for buy if there is a continuation. If we get any flag, then maybe we can consider to look for buy. But right now, we don't jump into the trade because we know about the possibility for one more drop. And even if you move to daily chart, what we want to be looking at this correction, we want to see whether the price can break the top to 1.1 or not. Rather than that, we have nothing to discuss based on daily chart. And based on forward chart, still we can see this one as a correction in relative to this. That's why we mentioned if we get one more drop, any reversal can give us better trade setup. But the only question is whether what we have here, the sharp move. And we explain if there is a continuation, any flag, also we can look for trade. That means we don't need to wait for one more drop before we look for buy, but we need to be aware of the possibility. Okay, that's why if there is a continuation, if we get any trade setup, we can look for buy, mostly with the sharp move flag. And if we didn't get any trade setup, either we wait for the breakout of the 2.07 or 2.08 this top, then from there we look for trade or having entry above this. And we need to know having entry above the top is really risky because what we want the price break and continue with the price tag, which is not moving within 1 or 2 hours. We don't stay with the trade. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.